Ladies, have you ever been asked to dance and your partner had you out there looking crazy on the dance floor?
Or fellas, have you ever wanted to ask someone to dance but felt like you had two left feet or little know-how to lead the way? Well, ladies and gentlemen, you can throw that anxiety or impatience out the window. Today, we're going to share the basic steps to what we call the Gulf Coast Swing. By learning these simple moves, you can improve your swag or poise, build confidence while introducing yourself to proper etiquette, give you opportunities to meet people, stay fit, or just have a fun date night learning this with your boo. The Gulf Coast Swing is fitting for most styles of R&B or Southern soul music. So without anything further, we invite you to learn the basic steps to this dance.
I'm Rob Singleton, and we're here today to learn the steps to a dance that's real popular across the country. In other parts of the United States, they call it swing dancing, they call it stepping, they call it swing out, it's called two-stepping. But we're here to learn the version that's real common along the Southern Gulf Coast. We call it the Southern Gulf Coast Swing. It's a 5-step dance as compared to the 6- and 8-step dance that's done everywhere else. The partners, men and women, they do the same steps except it being mirror images of each other. When the man is on his left, the lady is on her right. It's a 5-step dance, real simple. And here we go. It starts out with the lady starting with her right foot, then her left foot, then her left foot back, right foot again, left foot again, and start over. We do the same thing over and over. Starting with a right, left, back, right, left, right, left, back, right, left, right, left, back, right, left. Now, I like to use a straight 5 count on it for the simple reason we have 2 steps that'll come up if we use the 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 count, that'll come up on opposite numbers. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The steps are the same for the male as they are for the female, with the exception, since you're mirror images, when she's on her right, he's on his left. Here we go. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Real simple. We're getting ready to do a little something that's called a half turn that's done with this dance. It's real simple. It's the only thing that's different of the 5 count. We're only using 2 counts of the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. There's no certain amount of time to do it. You can do it as long as you want to do it. If you want to do the complete song this way, do it. 1, 2, 1, 2. Back around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more part to the dance is the full turn. It's done with the same 5 count, but we walk in a circle with it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now a little music to it, and here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Back to the 5 count. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Full turn, same count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. And the more you do the dance, the more comfortable you'll become, and the personality will start to come out. That's why it looks like everybody's doing something different on the dance floor. Here we go. And now you have it, the Southern Gulf Coast Swing. Excuse me, sir, for interrupting, but may I dance with you, lady? Sure. Let's do this. Fellas, after this happens to you a couple of times, I think you will be motivated to learn the Southern Gulf Coast Swing.
Well, there you have it. If you didn't master those basic steps watching this video the first time, watch it again. Please like and subscribe to the channel and check out the links in the description box. So folks, I hope you enjoy learning and sharing the Gulf Coast Swing.